Hello and welcome to another Grooveworks video. I'm Kieran Kuskopf and today we'll be having a look at the Flam, which looks like this. So this one's pretty easy to get your head around, but much more difficult to master. The idea is we want one low hand and one high hand. The low hand strikes a fraction of a second before the high hand. And that's the crux of it, but there are a few things you have to be aware of. The first is definitely the hand position. So one stick should be only a couple centimeters above the pad, and the other hand should be a fair bit higher. And the other thing is your note placement. So we need this to be in this little pocket where we perceive it more like one note, but we can hear that these two notes aren't quite on top of each other. So we don't want them to be too separate, so that we can clearly perceive two separate notes. And we don't want them to be right on top of each other. Both of which kind of lose that flam quality. We need it right in that pocket. Now when you're practicing, what I would suggest is going one way first, and by the way, each flam has a name, so right hand in the air, that's the right-handed flam, left hand in the air, that's the left-handed flam. So I would just go one way first, keep repeating it, master it that way, and then switch over. Master it the other way before you start switching in between like a single stroke roll. Just because if you don't master it each way first, your hand position will fall apart and then the rudiment itself will fall apart. But that's the Flam. We'll leave it there and I'll see you next time.